How to reapply for the NELFUND students loan. If you've benefited from the NELFUND students loan initially, or maybe you've applied for the first time, then you want to apply for the second time, this video is for you. But if you want to apply for the first time, kindly check this channel. I have a video tutorial, like I have some video tutorials to guide you through the process if you're applying for the first time. But if you are to apply for the second or the third time, this video is for you. Stick to it and make sure you subscribe and share this video to everyone. Is going to be helpful too, and we'll dive right into it. So if you want to apply for the second time or the third time, this is what you have to do. You dive right into the link. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Go to the login page and log into your profile. Of course, by now you should have your email and your password with which you can log into your portal. So once you've logged in, you proceed, and I will take you to the recording screen and I'll show you every of the process how you can achieve that. Make sure you follow this video to the end. Carefully follow this video and it's going to assist. So this is basically what you have to do. Once you've come to this portal, of course you have to accept the cookies. And once you've accepted the cookies, then you proceed to log in. You put your email and your password and you hit the login button. And once you log in, as you can see, the login is successful. And now you have your dashboard. Now, at this point, what you have to do is to proceed to this point where you have request for student loan. And once you are here, you just have to click on it and you will see this. Now, at this point, you see loan configuration. Like, you have to accept whether you want to be receiving the 20,000 naira monthly upkeep or not. Now, if you need the 20,000 naira monthly upkeep, that will run for 12 months, and basically that's going to sum up to 240,000 naira. That's 20,000 naira times 12 months. That's 240,000 naira. Remember, it is going to be added to your loan. You tick it. If you want it, you can skip this and apply for the student's loan. Maybe the school fees alone that will be paid to your institution. Actually, you can apply for that one alone, or if you need this, you can actually include it. Then you hit on continue. Now at this point, what you must have to upload is your admission letter. Now, your admission letter could be your JAMB admission letter or your school admission letter, but I would prefer you use the JAMB admission letter. You can actually use any one, either of the both. You can use them, but I would advise that you use the JAMB admission letter if you have it. But whereby you don't have it, you use your school admission letter. And once you pick it from your documents or your files, and you upload it, then you have your student's ID card. It's optional. You can upload it or you can still skip it, but I will advise that you upload it. It will help to make your loan to get approved quite on time, better than those who didn't actually upload it. Then you come here and tick this agreement. Once you tick it, you hit continue. It's going to get verified and give you the summary of, I don't actually want to apply from this profile. That's why I don't want to complete the process. But once you are done with this stage, uploading your documents is going to show you the summary of the loan details. And once you are done with that, you just confirm it. You tick another box like this, acknowledging it, that you've read the terms and conditions and all that has to do with it. Then once you tick the box, you hit send and it's going to be submitted. Then when you check, you are going to see that this particular total amount is going to increase from this amount to that to an additional amount. Like, this total amount now will be plus whatever amount that you applied for in the recent loan. And if you come to loan details, you are going to see them. Then remember this notice: 2025/2026 session registration starts October 23rd, 2025 and ends January 31st, 2026. So if you must apply for this session, make sure you apply before January 31st, 2026. So that is it. Then your total number of loans will increase from, maybe if you are applying for the second time, it will increase from 2 to 4. But if you're applying for the third time, it will increase from 4 to 6 in that order. That is it. But if you're applying for the first time, actually, it's going to be from 0 to 2. Alright, that is it. I don't think there is any other thing. That's just basically how to request for a new loan, like if you already have an existing loan. So you just come here, click it, complete the process, and that is it. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video to others. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.